Hey everyone, I'm back with another awesome success story for one of our clients. Client ID reference is 5473 for the record. Now, a couple came to us last year. We spent about 3-4 months with them because they could only afford to fix their credit one report at a time. So we fixed the wife's first and then the husband's because they really wanted to buy their first home and get out of the rental market, which they couldn't because wife had 2 defaults and hubby had a few low-grade inquiries that was pulling his score down. So his score at the time when he came on board was 492, which was just a little bit too low to get into the lender of their choice. Now they are in a rural area, so a little bit restricted with lenders and the type of loans that they could go for. So last year they were stuck. They could not buy this beautiful house they'd found on top of a hill. So they came to us, we fixed up all of their problems. Defaults were found to be listed in error. The low grade inquiries couldn't be proven to have been listed correctly on hubby's file. Got everything cleared up. Hubby's file, the score went up to 642 and his wife's jumped up as well. And I had the pleasure of speaking to the clients late last week, and she told me how excited they were and how grateful they were that they finally could get to buy this dream home. It's this beautiful property with land out the back. It's on top of a hill. It's great light, and they're just living their absolute best life, and they've got their dream home now. So if you're interested in getting in touch, please send me an email or go to our website, creditfixsolutions.com.au. We really look forward to helping.